Today we're going to have an unusual class. We're going to study geography and history in English. Meet our old friend Tom. His classmates and their teacher are talking about the UK. Hello everyone. Today we're going to focus on a group of islands to the northwest of the European continent called the British Isles. These isles seem rather small, but they play a great role in world history and are a huge part of modern culture. The United Kingdom of Great Britain and Northern Ireland is made up of the British Isles. The British Isles are separated from the continent by the English Channel. The United Kingdom consists of 4 parts: England, Scotland, Wales, and Northern Ireland. England is the biggest part and occupies most of the larger island. There is Scotland in the north, and the third part of the country, Wales, is in the west. The fourth part is called Northern Ireland and is on the island of Ireland, the second largest island. Each country has its capital. The capital of England is London. The capital of Wales is Cardiff. Scotland's capital is Edinburgh. And the main city of Northern Ireland is Belfast. There are lots of forests and plains in the UK. There are many rivers too. The longest rivers are the Thames and the Severn. There are no very high mountains in this country. Scotland is the most mountainous region, and the highest peak is Ben Nevis. The country is surrounded by 3 seas. Seas and oceans influence the British climate, which is not too cold in winter, but rarely very hot in summer. Great Britain is a beautiful country, with old traditions and pleasant, friendly people. Now my virtual excursion is over, and it's time to find out what aspects you'd like to study more deeply and in more detail.
In fact, everybody mentioned that this country is famous for its history. What is special about the history of the UK?
My question is, what languages do people speak in the different countries of the UK? What are the people from the UK like? What are their personalities and personal interests?
What should I take if I choose to travel there in the summer? I mean, what clothes? I didn't get a good idea of the weather there.
Food. You didn't mention anything about their cuisine. What is the traditional food in the UK? Oh, I see, kids. There are too many questions to answer them all in just one lesson. We'll try, though. Let's begin.